Today, we are doing a battery drain test on the brand new iPhone Air. Now, this iPhone Air specifically is the 256 gigabyte sky blue iPhone Air. And as you see, we're in settings. We're going to go to battery health. As you see, we have 0 cycles, and the first use is October 2025. We're going to go down to camera, and I'm going to show you the settings I have here for this battery drain test. We are going to be recording 4K 60 video with this iPhone Air until the battery dies. We're starting at 100% obviously, and we are going to let it go all the way down to 0. Now let's open the camera here, switch over to video, and let me show you just to verify that it is indeed shooting 4K 60. You can see right here that we are indeed shooting at 4K 60. So let's put the phone down and let's hit the record button and let's see how long this phone lasts. And the test has begun. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the first 5 minutes of this test is officially over. And as you can see up in the status bar of this iPhone Air, surprisingly, we are still at 100% battery after 5 minutes of 4K 60 video. Let's continue the test. I'll see you guys in another 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, meaning this test has officially been going for 20 minutes of 4K 60 video, and as you guys can see, our iPhone is at 94%. Very impressive, only a 6% drop in 20 minutes. Pretty good, but I will say that phone is starting to heat up in that camera plateau. Well, let's keep the test going. I'll see you guys in 40 minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it has officially been another 40 minutes, and we are at the 1 hour mark of 4K 60 video recording. Our iPhone has only dropped 25% down to 75% after 1 hour. That is very impressive if you ask me. But I will say this phone is very hot. So I'll see you guys in another hour. It is now an hour later, and we are officially 2 hours into the test. Our iPhone Air has now dropped to 46% from 75%. That is a 29% drop in the second hour, whereas in the first hour, it was only a 25% drop. So I'm going to let it go for another hour, and we'll see where we're at then. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We've officially made it to the third full hour of 4K 60 video recording on this iPhone Air. And as you see, we only have 17% battery remaining. How much longer do you guys think it's going to last? Let me know down in the comments. We're going to do one final run with the last 17% of the battery until it dies, and at the end, we will calculate exactly how long it survived. I'll see you guys when the battery dies. Alright guys, this iPhone Air is officially, and I mean officially, on its very last leg. We only have maybe a few seconds left of battery life before this iPhone finally decides to kick the bucket, and I can reveal to you guys the exact time, and boom, as you can see right there, screen went black. Phone is dead at 3 hours, 34 minutes, and 26 seconds, or roughly 3 hours and 35 minutes. That is very impressive. That is straight 3 hours, 35 minutes of 4K 60 video recording. And as you can see here, this phone is burning up in that camera plateau. I'm surprised the screen didn't start dimming. It was so hot. It was almost too hot to touch. I'm not even kidding. But yeah, guys, so with the iPhone Air battery test, in other words, how long can the iPhone Air record 4K at 60 video for? Well, as you guys just saw, 3 hours, 34 minutes, 26 seconds, or 3 hours, 35 minutes if you want to be generous. Adding in the time that I wasn't recording video to show you guys the battery percentage. Alright guys, so that was my iPhone Air battery test. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe to the channel. And I also have an Amazon storefront link down below where you can check out all the cool products that I have listed there. And on that note, this has been my first ever battery drain test. Let me know any comments, any critiques down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.